how to delete your email on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete your email on Facebook mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here, and now go down until you find this one, settings and privacy, and click on it, and then click this one, settings, and click this one, personal and account information, and then click contact info, and just click on your email, and then click remove, and type your password and click remove email. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.